Hello, I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARO Laboratory. Let's take a look at the TenTec 506 Rebel transceiver. Well, here's the TenTec Rebel. Not much to see here. Pretty plain. On-off control, volume is here. The function control controls the select button here, but we can adjust the bandwidth, the step, and a user programmable function. So we'll show you how all this works shortly. Now, RIT control over here, and this is the little blinking LED that the author talks about. Let's flip this around and look at the back side. We have the antenna connection. Your input key connection is here for your Morse code key. The iambic here, well, you program in that later, right? And you have your speaker/headphone jack, and your power goes in here. If you remove the two screws, we can get at the USB port that's behind this. Now the inside. Well, here's the side tone control. This is a potentiometer that the programmer uses for various things. I wouldn't know that quite yet. More on that with the Yahoo groups, of course. Your access to the processor is here. All these little pins, and you could use these to access different parts of the processor. Jumper here for headphone or speaker. It's set up for speaker output, but if I pull this little pin off, there, its output is now set for headphone level. I'll put that back on because we'll need the speaker later. There's even a little set here for an internal battery. And jumpers for changing the bands are here, here, and here. And wow, a lot going on here, but the real work is in here. In here, that's where all the magic happens. That's the chip kit Uno 32. That's the Arduino compatible processing unit. It's hidden inside here. I'd have to take this all apart to get at it, but it's programmed also through this USB port. And now let's see how it runs. Here's the power switch. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it goes. Okay. Well, we have bandwidth selected, so I can now use the select button. It's set for wide. The W is for wide, medium, or narrow. Not a bad CW filter, too. We can change the step at which this dial tunes. Right now we're set for 100 hertz, 1 kilohertz, or 10 kilohertz. Here's the trick. When you first turn on the Rebel, it comes up on 7030 or 1460 megahertz. That is 14.060 or 7.030. Hey, I hear a little bit of QRN there. Guess the lightning's getting close. I better hurry up. Well, here's how the tuning works. We're at 7030 right now. I'm going to turn the dial and count this little LED, how many times it blinks. Oh, 7031, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yeah, it's cumbersome, but you just have to remember what frequency you started out with. Now, the real wonderful thing about this Arduino-based compatible unit is that you can do all that programming. You could add the frequency counter. You could add an electronic keyer. Check out all those users groups because there's so much that this can do. And you'll learn a lot along the way. And with the Rebel's 5-watt output, you'll make plenty of contacts. QRP's fun. If you've never tried it out before, try it. You'll have a blast. I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARO Laboratory.